I saw this quick tiramisu recipe on the internet and I decided to make it. I've added a few ingredients to my taste and the taste was unbelievably good. So you should definitely try it. So let's see how to make it now. Using 2 teaspoons of this continental coffee powder, and this is not a promotion for any brand. I've been using this coffee for a very long time and it is the most perfect coffee that I have tasted. So that's why I'm using it. So into 1 glass of hot water, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. Then mix it really well until the coffee is fully dissolved. And here I have this 200 grams of store-bought paneer, which I'm going to add it to the blender. Oops. Okay. And to this paneer, I'm adding about half glass of full fat milk. You can also use low fat milk if you want. I'm not adding the full milk because I don't want the cream to be runny or watery. So next I'm going to be adding sugar and also some honey. Just about 3 teaspoons of sugar. So you can add more if you want to. To this I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of honey. A few drops of vanilla essence. This is completely optional. You can add if you want to. Let's blend it now. So here I'm using this toasty rusk from Britannia. I'll dip it in this coffee and layer it in this box. Now I don't have a glass container which is in square shape, so I'm using this plastic container, and moreover the coffee is in room temperature now. First layer is ready. Here is our blended cream which we are going to layer over this rusk. Also going to drizzle some honey over it. So this is completely optional, but if you have honey and if you like honey, I would suggest you definitely should try this because the taste is really awesome. And just like before, I am dipping the rusk in coffee again and I'm going to layer over this. Adding the final layer of the cream. And spread it really well. On top of this, we're going to sprinkle some cocoa powder. I'm using this Hershey's unsweetened cocoa powder. And generously sprinkle over it. So that's it. We'll let it set in the fridge for 3 hours. And look what happened to the pastry. Before I could even shoot the video of scooping it out, the kids have almost finished it. This is what is left for me to eat. So do try it. You'll definitely enjoy it. Thank you.